question is very simple. The electron concentration of a sample of n-type silicon, it varies from a 10 part something. They are given some variation at one point x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 mu. I mean, between the points it is having 10 parts 1 and then 16 10 parts 16, like this they are given. Okay, and they are telling that there is no applied electric field, there is no such extra field or extra motive force. Okay, and electron current density experimentally measured to be that as they are given as minus 100. And what's the electron diffusion coefficient they have asked? Is it right? So first I just write solution, and what is thing means the diffusion current density. Okay, so we have to write the diffusion. That's only they have asked. Is it right? The diffusion current density. Okay, that I can write in the form of Jn. Okay, Jn is equal to E into dn. Okay, and you have to differentiate this n, dn divided by dx. That you don't forget. Okay, so dn means diffusion coefficient of electrons. So dn means what? Diffusion, d for diffusion, and it's a coefficient of n for electrons. N for electrons. Okay, and you have to just know that what is the meaning of dn by dx means it is about always differentiation means gradient. What is the main gradient means what? Because it is having n, that is about concentration gradient. So you have to write a concentration gradient. Okay, so now I just draw a simple diagram. It will be more easy for you to understand. So here what they say is x equal to the 0, is it right? 0 to 4 mu m, is it right? So here you can write 4 mu m because you can write the axis of x in the terms of mu m. Okay, and here you have to write the concentration n of x. Is it right? No problem. They have told about 10 power 17. Okay, 16 10 power 16 to 10 power something. So 10 power 17 definitely, because it's a higher value, it will be available here. 10 power 60 means it is lower to 10 power 17. So we can write approximately here 16 to 10 power 16. And here what they say is when there comes a 4, you got it here. So when there comes a 4, you are getting 6. Is it right? And you are getting slope with respect to 10%, because there is slight sloping. Is it right? Because it is not up to the level. So up to the 4 only, but it can compensate 6 into 10 power 16. But it has to go down or go slope in this different manner. So from this diagram, you can just simply write, though we can observe that direction. Okay, what is that thing means? Direction deviates. I say direction deviates. That is a very important, because electrons are said to be in opposite way. That is what. Okay. Now next we can go for the complete formula. So Jn, once again I write E into dn, dn divided by dx. So we have to apply all the values. Jn, you know that it's a 400, is it right? So modulus means, so minus 400, modulus means you have to write 400. That's equal to, you know, E value 1.6 10 power minus always standard. And you know dn, you don't know, is it right? That is very important. We have to just understand. And you have to know that change, is it right? So you want to get this higher value minus lower value. So 10 power 17 minus 6 into 10 power 16, because you have to eliminate the higher to the lower. So divided by what is the dx from here to here. Is it right? What is the difference means? 4 into 10 power minus 4, because why 10 power not minus 6 means because it is centimeter. So converting a meter means it is that. So minus 0. So denominator no problem. Anything minus 0 is the same thing only. So if you do the calculation, you will get just write the simple step. It is equal to 16 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3, because it's a calculation, right? No need to write, but you can write. So if you solve means you get a 160. Okay, so 3 after the cancellation into 4 into 1.6. So automatically if you just do the solve, dn value is equal to exactly 25 centimeters square per second, and that is the good answer, exact answer. So I can write what is the answer means. So the answer is 25 centimeters square per second. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box.